An expert in road conditions has testified he does not believe that black ice was the reason a Nanaimo mother crashed her vehicle, killing her two sons. Claire Bekkers is charged with impaired driving and dangerous driving in the horrific crash. As Sky Ryan reports, the crash happened more than 3 years ago, and with the trial nearing its end, Bekkers may soon learn her fate.
Knowing the end is in sight now, Claire Bekkers walks out of court and the trial that has her charged in the crash that killed her two young sons.
She's just completely distraught and worn out. You know, her father, Mr. Harrison, who's been here throughout, is also distraught and worn out. This is a nightmare on top of a nightmare.
The latest testimony in Nanaimo court hearing from this road conditions expert for the Crown, Dr. Amrit Tour, who testified that he does not support the defense's theory that a fluke combination of road conditions led to the deadly crash.
This is a case where the defense only has to raise a reasonable doubt. We don't have to prove a darn thing.
The Nanaimo mother was driving home from Victoria on December 22, 2008, with her 4 kids and the family dog in their Ford Escape when she crossed into oncoming traffic and crashed near the Cassidy pub. Her 2 boys, Cooper 2 and Lucas 9, were killed. Her 7- and 4-year-old daughters injured. Bekkers is charged with impaired driving causing death and dangerous driving, which witnesses to the crash described in court.
People driving with kids in the car really need to think about their safety with how they operate their vehicle.
Court has also heard evidence that Bekkers drank beer and consumed antidepressants and cocaine the night before, though her blood alcohol limit did not exceed .08 at the time of the crash. Her defense insists black ice road conditions are what caused this, but Tour says a road covered in ice would not have allowed her to change lanes to pass cars, which she did before sliding into oncoming traffic. Bert King asking, but you don't know if this black ice is solid black ice or patchy black ice. No, answered Tour. A judge will decide the case.
He'll sift through all of the evidence, pro and con, and he'll decide whether the Crown's proved it beyond a reasonable doubt.
Claire Bekkers' trial is expected to hear closing arguments on Tuesday.